um, Eniola Cakes offer online baking classes, training for students on how to bake and refine their skill, blah 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 blah. Target audience aspiring bakers, home cooks, and individuals looking for to improve their baking skill. Alright, the objective is to create a promotional design for their online class. Elements is going to be color red and yellow, imagery, a chef, model, and a cake beside. Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's get these images. Alright, the chef, right, is going to be there. So it's a baking class, an online baking class. Okay, I'm going to use a long font. It's an online baking class. Let's use this. Let's try. Alright. Okay. Baking. Alright, I'll use a long font for this. Remember, the color is yellow and red, so I'll close this up. Right, now what do we do next? So let's try to do this, get this, then go over to mask, right, then do this also. You'll be left with this. Okay, so let's change this color to now when I say red and yellow, it doesn't mean that it's going to be all red and all yellow, so we can actually add some colors. So I'm going to add a color here. All right, let's bring the cake in. Which of them should we use? Let's use this. This to the top. Right, I'm moving this here also, and there's gonna be, I'm bringing a shape here. This shape can take up the color red. Right, then we can bring in an information here. There's an information here. Okay, this is what they'll be learning. That's not learning. That is in the class. Right, then we can put this here. What you learn. Right, we add a background to it. So let's make it a yellow background now. Since it's silver background and it's inside can be black, so I have something like this, right? Okay, so the next information we're going to add is, let's take this up here, and let's take this up also. All right, so we've done this. Let's make this, let's do something now. All right, so this information here, we'll put it somewhere here, but we'll bring this. Okay, like this. We can make it yellow. I'll bring this here. Alright, we can come here and then we increase this line spacing. Okay. Right, so adjust it. Alright, then we'll take this online baking up. Right, so there's going to be a class here we use a script font, but something that is visible still. So I'm going to use Aston script, sorry. See that now? So right here, I'm going to write Eniola Cake, so it can be the logo there. So if you have a logo, that's the place to add the logo. Okay. All right. Then the next information is going to be this. Let me work on this baking. You can use this. Would red work for it? Okay, so red is not bad. All right, so the next information is going to be the payment details. So we're going to put it here. Okay, so let's say 50K for the registration fee. Let's use a bold font. Let's change it to white. Okay, let's copy this and put it here. Right, so let's make it white. Let's copy it again. Let's write March 2025 deadline. All right, so you need to put a payment details and other stuff there. So let's put pay into. Let's bring this information here. Pay. All right, so this is it. We can add just this last information. Right, always ensure that when you are creating a design like this, there is a call to action somewhere. Somebody can click, a number somebody can call or reach out to if they are interested in the class. So don't leave them in the dark by creating a very beautiful and functional design that actually gets people interested in something, and then they don't know how to reach out to the host or the person that's in charge of the class. So ensure that you add at least a phone number or something that somebody can actually call to say, oh, I saw this class somewhere on Instagram and I'm interested. How do I make payment? How do I register? Right, so that's why the website is very important, or you add a phone number like this so that somebody can actually call. All right, so that's why this information is very, very important. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I've shown you in this tutorial how you can interpret design brief, all right, in a very, very simple way. How you can interpret design brief in a very simple way. All right, you can see that we follow the color red and yellow, and every other thing is intact. All right, so if you want to add a background, something like this, very, very simple, just spread it across the design, and then you erase the color, then add this, make it maybe I think brown, then you reduce the opacity like this, send it to the back, still reduce the opacity a little more, and then you're good to go. When you're done, ensure you save your design, and you are very, very welcome. Thank you for watching to the end. My name is Nia Muda, and I will see you in another tutorial. Thank you.